Straight bar cable curl. If you want to build a bigger and stronger bicep, you should add cable bicep curls to your arm workout routine. Why are cable curls so vital? Cable curls have a lot of advantages over traditional bicep curls. The ability to target different parts of your biceps and constant tension throughout the movement are some of the things that makes this curl so effective. Single arm preacher curl. This is the most common standing dumbbell preacher curl variation. It involves performing dumbbells curls while resting the back of your upper arm against an inclined bench. Since this is a unilateral exercise, meaning you work one side of your body at a time, it is incredibly effective at helping you fix strength and muscle imbalances. Plus, this variation is more accessible to most people. Dumbbell biceps curl. Dumbbell curls are a great way to increase muscle size in the biceps by performing the exercise with proper form and gradually increasing weight or resistance. You can activate more muscle fibers and stimulate muscle growth over time. The dumbbell curl primarily targets the biceps muscle, with the brachialis and brachiodalis muscles acting as synergists. The wrist flexion also acts as stabilizers to help control the movement of the weight. Rope cable hammer curl. The cable hammer curl is a variation of the hammer curl exercise that is utilized to build the anterior muscle of the arm. It's very similar to the biceps curl, with the only difference being the neutral hammer hand position. However, the big advantage of using cable is that they keep constant tension on the muscle at all angles and throughout the entire range of motion. Cross body hammer curl. Are you looking for an exercise to strengthen your forearms and bicep? Then the crossbody hammer curl is the best option for you. The crossbody hammer curls are a powerful variation of the traditional hammer curls, specially designed to target the brachialis and brachiodalis muscles. The crossbody hammer curls are a variation of the dumbbells hammer curl that targets the brachialis, biceps and brachiodalis muscles. Barbell preacher curl. Barbell preacher curl or preacher curl is one of the most effective biceps building exercise you can incorporate into your arm workout regimen. It requires you to do the movements on an angled preacher bench where you need to place your arms and chest against the pad firmly. It is an ideal workout for those looking to add a little variety to their traditional barbell curl. Barbell curl. The barbell curl targets your biceps brachii muscles as well as the brachialis, a muscle responsible for elbow flexion. With regular practice, barbell curls can help you build bigger biceps. Barbell curls generally allow you to lift heavier weight than dumbbells curls. The barbell curl can help increase overall arm and grip strength and upper body mass for strength, power and fitness athletes. Barbell concentration curl. The barbell concentration curl is an exercise that targets the biceps muscles in the arms. It is a slightly more difficult version of the normal dumbbells concentration exercise and may not be suitable for beginners. However, it is a great arm movement to stimulate the muscle fibers at the top of the brachialis muscles and biceps.